Jasus arranged the human chain to protest against the closing of Shohid Zia Gallery at National Museum and the other incidents including the damage of Zia Rahman and Khaleda Zia's mural in recent days. As the chief guest Khandakar Musharraf said, government is trying to erase the name of Zia Rahman from the history of Bangladesh. He also said that the ill treatment of the government about the opposition is not only proof their sick mentality, but also weakening the democracy and the political atmosphere of the country.
প্রধানমন্ত্রী যে আহ্বান জানিয়েছেন আজকে প্রমাণ হয়েছে যে তার নেতা কর্মী সমর্থকরা তার কথাই তার নির্দেশই তারা পালন করছেন না।
Jasus President Fazullah Faiz, ex-Pro Vice Chancellor of Dhaka University AFM Yusuf Haidar, Professor Sadrul Amin and some other local leaders were also present in the occasion. Ehtishamul Haq, News and News, Dhaka.